I'll let you in on a little dessert secret. As a women's fat loss coach, I've been eating this dessert for about 120 days in a row now, and I need you to know about it. Susan, put your apron on.
Well, call me Susan. Let's go. Well, we're off to a poor start. I don't have strawberries, but I have cherries, so that'll go well with almond extract. I know that combo is bomb. My husband thought we were out of this, and he was mistaken. You think I'm not going to have a backup of the best protein powder around? Not during this weight loss journey. Party for two. My husband wanted in on this. She's right about the creaminess. Can tell you that. Smells so good. Tiniest amount. Almond extract is potent. We don't need a lot. I measured with my heart. She says we need the sweetener. Almost forgot it. Gonna trust her. All right, not too much. That's key. Oof. Let's get ready to rumble. Oh yeah, I'm nailing this. And I'm gonna push everything down just because I don't like banana lumps in my wonderfully thick smoothie bowls. So one more rodeo on the blender. I almost forgot a healthy amount of cocoa powder. Who even am I? Man, identity crisis. How could I forget the cocoa powder? So if we're adding cocoa powder, we're gonna add a little bit more sweetener and definitely do a healthy amount. Healthy, extremely healthy. I like chocolate. I'm just gonna say it, you don't even need the cocoa powder, and I love chocolate. I just took a taste test and oh boy, I'm excited. Oh, she's thick. Yes. Wow, it's a lot of volume. Taste test time. That's less than 300 calories, that bowl. Look.
No.
Look.
That bowl
That's
is
a
full.
big bowl, I know.
That's like the double portion that I would give myself. So, wow. And it's thick and it's juicy. Smells wonderful. Stop.
Right?
Stop.
It may have almost broke our blender. Just kidding. You can smell the
engine was working hard.
Yeah. But worth it, right?
Wow. Wow. I'm not even going to ask what's in it. It's just that good.
We didn't have strawberries, so I used cherries. And I put almond extract in with the cocoa powder and the banana. I mean, there's very few ingredients.
It's very light. It's like
It's creamy.
Just, you put it in your mouth and you expect it, like, it's going to fall, but you're like, no, it's airy. It almost lifts me up.
Okay,
so
I'll go try mine.
Okay.
How are you doing today, Mav? Yeah, it is light. Airy, creamy, just like my husband said. Highly recommend the cherry and almond extract combo. It's good. Thank you, Maddie.